No way in any shape or form in any video ever have I said this is the proper way to do this. This is how I do it. Going up the tree. Alright, look at this mess. It's gonna be lovely. I gotta climb way up there and get that Widowmaker too. This is gonna be a tricky one. Easy and simple, but tricky at the same time. Easy and simple because it'll probably go pretty fast, but still pretty tricky. I don't have a cameraman today. My little brother's not here, so I got the GoPro on the helmet. There'll be a lot of POV today. But look at that mess. Got to start taking them off a little by little at a time. Eventually drop it off there. Get that roof cleared. Take most of this weight off of it here. Got the 460 Rancher for the trunk. The, oh, what the hell. 120 that the guy gave me the other day for free. And then the HT56 Stihl pole saw. That's what I'm gonna be using. I need to sharpen up the Rancher real quick, so I'm gonna edit that out though. Gonna cut some of these bottom ones off first. Start getting some weight off. Okay, not gonna be a slippery roof, that's good. I need to work from that end over this way. Damn, almost 3 pulls on this new saw. There's windows down there. I need to be extra careful. Jeez. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty nervous about this one. If I cut enough off of it, when it falls, it'll fall that way away from the window. Slipping on all these sticks. That one lamb's holding it, so I need to get that one off. Got it. I hope it got that. I hope the camera got that. Holy shit. Woo. Okay. Didn't hit the window. Gotta climb up there in a little bit. Now let's get that sucker on the ground completely. Making me nervous. Got her down, no broken windows. Now we gotta get her completely down. We gotta cut this stub too. The people want it for firewood. 3 pulls. Oh, maybe 2. If I can follow it over all of it once, up there. Wedge, wedge, wedge. Whoa. Look, not bad. Not necessarily bad, but should have just made it a lot more open. Success though. I call that a success. Had some mishaps. Nothing's broken, and it's done. Now I gotta get way up there. Alright, I'm about to go up there. Harnessed up. No way in any shape or form, in any video ever, have I said this is the proper way to do this. This is how I do it. I strap myself off as I go. I'll be in that tree for 5 minutes. Just not even that high. It's like 20 feet. So let's do this. See it right there? That one. Going up the tree. Climbing up the tree. By the way, I'm doing this for 50 bucks. Not the whole job, but I seen the dead limb, and I told the guy, I was like, I'll come up there, get that Widowmaker out for 50 bucks. He was like, yeah, sure, go for it. So, let's do this. Everybody's climbed trees before. When we grew up climbing trees, all right, clear. Try this at home, kids. Look. Best I could do. Now let's get down before I die. Holy moly. There's a lot. Holy. Do 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 do. Do da da do. All right, golden. Got it all done. No injuries, no broken things. I'm gonna save y'all the cleanup. Not a bad little video though.